Today I'll explain the method of calculation of interest on drawings by partner. We are doing partner. Partner take money from personal use, that is drawings. So the drawing can be taken in different ways. It may be that one particular amount is taken at a time for the whole year, or it may be that one particular amount is drawn every month by installment. Maybe every month the person is drawing some money every month, say 5,000 every month. Then again, that every month 5,000 may be at the beginning of each month, or first day of month that the drawing is made. It may be, or the drawings may be every month may be drawn at the end of the month, or it may be drawings drawn at the middle of each month. That is about installments. See, here only there are three methods. Then here, when a lump sum amount, which one amount is taken at a time, not every month, whole year one amount. So that I am going to explain you now. When whole amount is drawn, a lump sum amount is drawn during the year, and the date of drawing is given. Suppose the amount of money is drawn on 1st October. Date is given. So if the date of drawing is given, then you calculate interest on the amount at the rate whatever is given. The rate will be given to you. At the rate whatever is given, calculate interest on drawing from the date of drawing up to the end of the year. Suppose money is drawn on 1st October. So October, November, December, January, February, March, 31st. 6 months. Suppose money is drawn on 1st July. Then July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 9 months. If date of drawing is given, then you calculate interest for the period starting from the date of drawing up to the end of the year. That is interest on drawings calculated when date of drawing is given. About calculation of interest on drawing when money is drawn in a single installment, one time only. So there are two options. Number one was when lump sum amount is drawn during the year and the date of drawing is given. Then you calculate interest for a period starting from the date of drawing up to the end of the year. Clear? But if, another point, lump sum amount is drawn during the year by a partner, but the date of drawing is not given in the question. We do not know when the money is drawn. In that case, what you have to do? You calculate interest for 6 months. Here you shall calculate interest because you do not know when the money is drawn. So in this case, on a lump sum average period of 6 months, you shall make interest on 6 months because no date is given here. Clear? Date is not given, take it for 6 months. But date is given, then starting from the date of drawing up to the end of the year. I have explained. But if date is not given, suppose 20,000 rupees drawn during the year. So you calculate interest on 20,000 for 6 months because date is not given. Clear? You when single installment drawn during the year, two options are done. One is date is given, another date is not given. I have explained. You can ask me later if you don't understand. But now let us take this one. Money is drawn every month. That is, I have given monthly installments. Monthly installments. Money is drawn every month. So there are three options generally. You can draw the money at the beginning of each month. You can draw the money at the end of each month. You can draw the money at the middle of each month. Now, if you draw the money at the beginning of each month, then what to do? You total the money. Suppose 5,000 every month. For 12 months it will be 60,000. On 60,000, you calculate interest for 6.5 months. But you may ask me why? What is the reason? 6.5 months, what is the reason? I'll explain. Then if you draw at the middle of each month, suppose you have drawn on 15 April, 15 May, 15 June, 15 July like that. So at the middle of each month you are drawing. Then on the total amount, suppose you are drawing 5,000 per month, total is 60,000. You calculate interest for 6 months. 6 months. You may ask why. Always there should be question why. What is the reason? Someone has given you this thing and commit to memory and you don't know why. It is incomplete. You should know why. Then knowledge will be perfect. I'll explain. And one more. If you have withdrawn money or partner has withdrawn money at the end of each month, 30 April. First month is 3rd April, 30 April, 31st May, then 30 June, then 31st July, like that. End of each month. Then on the total amount, suppose 5,000 per month, the total amount is 60,000. On the total amount, you calculate interest for 5.5 months. Correct? But what is the reason? Let me try to explain. I can explain what is the reason. Take up this one first. Let us take this one. See, you are drawing at the beginning of each month. So, one is 1st January, 1st April, and 1st May, 1st June. Ultimately, there will be 12 months are there. Right? Every month you are taking on the first day. So, amount drawn on this day will be interest for 12 months. The amount drawn on this day, interest will be for 11 months. When you drawn 1st April up to 31st March, 12 months. But you drawn 1st May, you get 11 months. Then 1st June, 10 months. Like that, it will be going down. So here it will be 10 months, then 9 months, like it will go. Correct? So on the first 5,000, you shall calculate interest for 12 months. Then put it. Again on second, again 11 months. Then on next, again 10 months. You will be doing 12 calculations. What is the time? Isn't it? What is the time? We should calculate 12 calculations. Will be there. On the first installment 12 months, then 11 months, then 10 months, then go on. Last will be 1 month. Right? 1 month. So you can do same interest you will be getting. But the thing is that you should go for some shortcut. That shortcut will be, I am showing here. Average 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus how much? 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 12. This will be average period. Do you understand that? 1st April is a 12 months interest. So take 12, let's get 11, 10, let go 1. So 12 items are there. Make it average. Can you find how much will be this average? Find how much will be this average? Anybody can calculate it? 20? 77. Tell me how much? 78. So 78 divided by 12. 78 divided by 12. It will be, tell me, it will be 6.5 months. It will be 6.5 months. Correct? It will be 6.5 months. So, on the total amount, you calculate interest for 6.5 months, will be getting the same interest. Suppose 5,000 every month, you take 5,000 into 12, it will be 60,000. And calculate interest for 60,000 for 6.5 months. Written there. This way 6.5 months should come. Normally, on first 5,000, calculate interest for 12 months, second 5,000, 11 months, then 10 months. It's boring, time taking. So this way, it is proved. If you find interest calculating one time only, or the total 60,000 of the 12 months, you calculate interest for 6.5 months. Because money is taken every month, first day. So that's why formula is So generally, similarly, if you calculate this at the middle of each month, first it will be 15 April, right? Second 15 May, like that. You calculate this way, because first will be here 11.5 months, then 10.5 months, then 9.5 months, because you have drawn on 15 April. From 15 April to 31st March, 11.5 months. From 15 May to 31st March, 10.5 months. You go this way, ultimately divide by 12, you shall get clear cut 6 months. So if the money is drawn every month at the beginning of each month, then instead of calculating interest for 12 times, you calculate interest for one time for 6.5 months. 6 months, middle one. And then, if you calculate the end of each month, so first you calculate on 30 April, you are getting 11 months. Then 30 May, 31st May, 10 months. Like you calculate 31st March will be 0 month, last one. So you calculate this way, divide by 12, you should clearly get 5.5 months. That's why formula has come this way. This way formula has been derived actually. So you please experiment these things at home. As I have experimented, and any doubt you can talk to me. Because you can ask me, sir, why this 6.5 months? Why 6 months? Why 5.5 months? Why? This is the calculation logic. Similarly, I will not do it, you experiment. Amount may be drawn every quarter. Quarter means 3 months. 3 months they go for drawing. So beginning of quarter, middle of quarter, end of quarter. We can find this way also formulas are there. You will get some round figure, months. That way you can calculate. I'll show you in the next class. Recording. So let us take one example. Suppose Ram is a partner of a firm. Okay, Ram is a partner of a firm, and Ram drew rupees 10,000 every month as drawings for his personal use, and he drew the amount for 1 year ending on 31st March 2024. That means he drew the money from 1st April 23 to 31st March 24. Now suppose in the question it is given rate of interest is 5%. That is clear. Now here he is drawing 10,000 every month at the middle of each month. So now see the formula, show it. See, at the middle of each month, it will be for 6 months, right? You can calculate this way, you shall find it. It is coming 6 months. You calculate middle of each month, it will be total 6 months average. So you shall calculate interest on rupees 1,20,000. How? 10,000 every month at the middle of each month. So 10,000 into 12, it is 1,20,000. On 1,20,000, on total 1,20,000, you shall calculate 5 upon 100 into 6 upon 12. This will be the interest. Because we know when amount is drawn at the middle of each month, you have to calculate interest for 6 months. So 6 by 12, and 5% is given in the question. And 10,000 every month means it will be how much? 1,20,000. So if you calculate this way here, it will be cut it 2, then cut it. How much coming? 6, 3,000. How much is coming? Oh, this is 100. One more cutter. Okay. So 3,000. It is coming 3,000. You understood? Yes, sir. This is how you have to calculate. Please practice at home. Okay.